In the running world, and particularly in endurance running like marathons and ultramarathons, there's this concept of running slow to run fast. So you spend 80% of your weekly mileage running at a conversational pace, and 20% of your sessions you run at speed, and sometimes beyond the speed that you would run in your specific race. But it just builds that into your body. So one, you're building this threshold, you're building your body up to be able to run longer. And then two, you're actually working on getting fast, because you can't do all of it fast and you shouldn't do all of it slow. And I think that aligns with our world. Our world wants us to be fast. It wants us to be going all the time. There's no let up, there's no breaks, there's no natural rhythms. If you're in a kind of busy job, if you're in the corporate world, like if you're blessed enough to be able to live close to nature and get into those rhythms, I'm delighted for you. Please enjoy those and allow those moments to speak to you and carry you through. But for the rest of us living in cities with jobs and responsibilities, it can just be go, go, go all the time. But I want to posit another idea. And it's the idea that, particularly for creativity, we should go slow just to go slow. Go slow to stop and smell the roses, to enjoy the inspiration, to think about the long term, to read a book or many books, to go to the cinema and watch amazing cinematography, take time out to walk through a gallery or museum, go and listen to excellent musicians delivering their craft on a live stage. It's like marinating something for hours to get the flavors into it. And I think as creatives, we need that. We need to marinate in the culture that we want to work in and represent. And not just that, but think about the idea of not just how you're going to feel and act after finishing your next project, but imagine what putting 5 or 10 projects behind you would feel like, or 5 or 10 years of you consistently showing up and practicing, developing your craft. Where would you be as a creative person? Where would you have gotten to as a human being? And I just think that doesn't happen by us trying to rush through it. It's by us taking our time. And then I just think to juxtapose that, imagine yourself after 5 years of just scrolling on your phone versus 5 years of just investing in yourself and actually doing the work, getting all those projects done and behind you, reading all those books, watching those movies, getting all that inspiration in there as well. Imagine what that would be like. In the description, I have a starter kit which will help you find space for your creativity, and it includes a video which is a digital detox, and it comes with a PDF and a worksheet for you to start to figure it out. And then there's a couple of days of emails to help you unpack ways to rest, ways to think about moving forward. One of the first things you can do is put down your phone. And to help you do that, I have created a starter kit. There's a link in the description. It comes with a video around digital detox, and that helps you to make your phone less attractive, distract you less, send less notifications. It takes you through that. Then there's also a PDF and a worksheet to help you to make that happen. And over the next couple of days, I'll send on some more emails to help you understand how to rest differently so that you're ready for work and for this space. The choice is yours. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Do you want to be stuck to your phone, or do you want to have multiple projects banked that you can look at and think about how much you've grown and how much you've developed and how much you've moved on? I love the African proverb that says, if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. And I'm here to help you continue to go further. But even if we end up not working together, find people to explore with, to be companions on this journey. And don't forget, the choice is yours. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Okay, if you've got another few minutes, YouTube will recommend another video here. Okay, but other than that, have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon.